Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn fractions and decimals of class 6. Now let's go into the topic fraction and decimals. What are fractions, children? Fraction is nothing but a part of a whole. Okay, a part of a whole. Whole means it a complete, from a complete object or anything making into parts. So let's see now. I have taken a piece of paper. Now you can see a paper in my hand. So I just want to make into half. So I am folding it. Okay. Here. So you can see here I am folding this paper into half. So you can see here I made it into two parts. See here, the line which I am drawing here is dividing the paper into two halves. Okay, this is called 1 by 2 and this is denoted with 1 by 2. Because why it is denoted like this? This complete paper is divided into two halves. Okay, so it is denoted with 1 by, this part is denoted with 1 by 2 and the remaining part is denoted with 1 by 2. Now see here, what is 1 here and what is 2? 1 is the part. Okay, 1 is the part and 2 is whole. Whole means complete whole is divided into two parts. This one is known as number part. Okay, only one part, and the complete paper is divided into two halves or two parts. So this 2 is also called number of parts. Number of parts. So now see, I am writing on the board. Same, this paper I have taken, I divided into two parts. Total actually without before dividing, what is the actual number? Total is 1. Okay, now how many I have divided into two parts? So this one is written as 1 by 2 and this one is also written as 1 by 2. Okay, now 1 by 2 means this 1 is called as numerator and this 2 is called as denominator. Fraction is represented by numerator divided by denominator. Numerator divided by denominator. Fraction is denoted by numerator divided by denominator. Okay, and this numerator may be whole numbers and denominators also can be a whole numbers or a natural numbers, and it can be negative numbers also in the place of numerator and denominators. Let's see another example of fraction. Okay, now I have taken a piece of paper and I am folding it into half. I am folding into half. So the paper is divided into how many parts, children? Two parts. It is divided into two parts. How these two parts is represented? This is represented by 1 by 2 and this is represented by 1 by 2 and this is also represented by 1 by 2. So now the same paper I am folding into 4 parts. Now already one fold is done, next fold. Okay, so how many foldings I got, children, in this? If I open it, I got 4 foldings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how this is represented in fractions? Now this total is divided into 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. Now each part, this is 1, right? This is denoted with 1 by 4. And this part is 1 by 4. Each part is written as 1 by 4. Now in this I will shade 2 parts. I will shade 2 parts. See now, this part I am shading and another part also I am shading. Now what is the fraction of the shaded parts? Tell me children. Now how many parts I have shaded here? 2 parts. So the shaded part fraction is 2 parts I have shaded out of how many parts children? Out of 4 parts. 2 by 4. Now next I am shading one more part. So what is the total fraction of shaded region? Is first one is 2 by 4. Now next is 3 by 4. 3 parts out of 4 is shaded. And 1 by 4th part is not shaded. Okay. Hope you all understood how the fractions are written. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section box, children. Now I'll take few fractions. In that we'll identify what are numerators and what are denominators. Okay. Here I have taken 1 by 2. This what is numerator children? 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. In this fraction 3 is numerator and 7 is denominator. And this line is called fractional bar. Okay. The line which is dividing numerator and denominator, this is called fractional bar. Remember children, the line between numerator and denominator is called fractional bar or vinculum. Now we will see types of fraction. Types of fraction, what are there? One is proper fraction. First one is proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Third, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, unit fraction and equivalent fraction. First let us see what is proper fraction. Okay. Proper fraction has numerator is less than denominator. Okay. In proper fraction, numerator always will be less than the denominator. In improper fraction, always numerator will be greater than denominator. Okay. Let's see with the fractions now. In proper fraction, already we seen that numerator will be less than denominator. In fractions 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 7 and like this so on. These are the examples of proper fractions. Now we'll see examples of improper fractions. In this, numerator will be greater than denominator. Okay. So 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 11 by 9 and so on. These are the examples of improper fraction, and proper fraction examples are 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 7 and so on. Okay, now let's see another examples for mixed fractions. In this we will have combination of whole and fraction. Okay, whole number and fraction. So we will see how it is possible. 3, 2 by 4. Now 3 is whole number. Am I right? 3 is a whole number and the fractional part is 2 by 3. Okay. 3 2 by 4 is a mixed fraction. 3 2 by 4. One more we'll see. 1 3 by 6, 2 4 by 9, and these are all called mixed fractions. Now we'll see what are like fractions. In like fractions, the denominators, all denominators will be same. All denominators are same. Example, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 1 by 5. Okay, these all are called like fractions. Unlike fractions means the denominators are not same. The denominators will be having different numbers. Okay, example, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 2 or 2 by 3, and these all are examples of unlike fractions. Here, unit fraction. What is unit fraction? Whose numerators are 1. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 7. Whose, you can see here the numerators are 1. So these all are called unit fractions. Now we will see equivalent fraction. What are equivalent fractions? Any fraction if it is multiplied and divided with the same number, the resultant will be the equivalent fraction. Now see, 1 by 2 into 2 by 2. I am dividing this with the same number. I am multiplying numerator and denominator with the same numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And next here, 1 by 2 into 3 by 3 is equals to 3 by 6. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So, equivalent fractions are now 1 by 2 will be equals to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 also will be equals to 3 by 6. Understood, children? Now 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4, and this 2 by 4 is equivalent to 3 by 6. Okay. If I divide this number, this fractional number, 2 by 4 with the same number, like 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, and this one 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Do we got all the numbers 1 by 2? Yes. So this type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. Hope you all understood these types of fractions and also the fraction definition. Okay, if you all have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you.